Hi, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to grab the Google Map 3D models to Smile Game Builder. So before we start, you need to install some of the softwares. I'm going to show you one by one. You must have Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a browser. Go and install the Google Chrome. The next, install the 3D Exchange pipeline. This is a Reallusion software 3D Exchange pipeline. And also go and download the Simplygon SDK for free. The Simplygon. I already give all this download link at the bottom. At the bottom, that is what we call video descriptions. All the links I already put there. And you must have the Smile Game Builder I get from the Steam. This is the Smile Game Builder. Then, finally, you have to download this, the Google Map 3D Grabber pack. This one is prepared by me, and this is a zip file. You go to download this. After that, extract the zip file. Now I already prepared here. After you extract the zip file, you should be able to get this, the Blender 2.9, which I already prepared, the map importer, and also a Google Chrome shortcut. Then the RenderDoc installer, you must install this. The RenderDoc, install this first. Once you already install everything, now we can start to grab this map. Before we start, close all the browser. Make sure no browser is open. Next, start the RenderDoc. If you already installed the RenderDoc, now you start it. Make sure no browser open. Close all the browser first. Then start the RenderDoc. Next, what you need to do is you click File, inject into Process, and here you type Chrome, CHROME, then refresh. Next, use the Google Chrome shortcut that I prepared for you. You can see the shortcut. Here I already modified. Disable GPU sandbox, GPU start, dialog, all this I already prepared for you. Start with this shortcut. Once you start it, it will be totally white color with a conversation. You don't click first, just hold on. Here, once you already type Chrome here, you refresh it. Now you can see the Google Chrome CPU. Click and select here. Next, you click Inject. Then here you click OK. Now you can see this Google Chrome. It will have all this. Now you can go to your Google Map. As demo, I tried to capture the Eiffel Tower in Paris. The Eiffel Tower is here. Next, click the satellite. Now you should be able to see the 3D satellite view. Click the 3D. Now, it really becomes 3D. The Eiffel Tower is here. So if you just want to capture the Eiffel Tower, just hold on. Make sure that the whole Eiffel Tower is inside your view. Next, under the capture after delay, you change it to become 5 seconds. Click capture after delay. Immediately you back to your map, and then you keep on drag and move the map. After 5 seconds, it automatically capture. Now you can close this. Then this one, you can close this as well. Open a new folder. Name it Alpha Tower. Alright, then open this empty folder and then File, Save Capture As. Save in this folder, Ctrl C, and paste here, Ctrl V, enter. Then the file name, the RDC file name, I put Alpha Tower. Click Save. Now you have this. Next, close this. We don't want this already. Now you have the RDC file. Then open the Google Map 3D grabber that you downloaded and extracted already. Inside, I already prepared a Blender 2.9 for you, where I already have the map importer plugin inside. Double click, and start the Blender that I given to you. Alright, so next you double check here, edit preferences. You type the map here and make sure here already take. Make sure you take, after that you close it. Then file, import. You should be able to see an RDC Google Maps capture here. Delete everything, include the camera, the cube, and the light. Press delete. Next. I close the unnecessary things. So this in Blender, I want to import this. Just now I saved as RDC file, the Alpha Tower. File, import. The Google Map Capture RDC is in this folder. It's on my desktop. Alpha Tower, this one, RDC, I double click it. Wait for a while, it is not responding, but you do not close it. It is loading the 3D models. You need to wait for a while, and now it all come out already. Now, the first step you need to do is you select all in this way. Press Ctrl J to combine all the mesh to become one. Next step, you can see these are the axes of Blender. The Alpha Tower already 45 degree. So you need to rotate it to make it right angle. This way. Okay, so I can undo Ctrl Z. For this one, that is rotation of Z. The Z at plus 45. I use a calculator. The Z already 20.1. I plus 45 degree. It becomes 65.1. So here I put 65.1. Enter. Now it is already tally to the axis. Alright. So now I select again Ctrl A. Then click all transform. It all will back to 0. Next step, we look at the side view, click the X. We can see first, the Alpha Tower is here. We only want to extract the Alpha Tower out. So first, G. Next, go to the edit mode. You select first, go to the edit mode. Here, click, then click the wireframe mode. The Alpha Tower is here. The rest are unnecessary parts. Click the Z, hold the shift, use middle button, delete the unnecessary part, delete vertices. We only want to left the Alpha Tower, delete vertices, delete vertices, delete vertices. If the rest are unnecessary, delete all the vertices, delete vertices. Here also delete vertices. Now, the alpha tower is this one. Next, you can click here again to check the texture. So these are unnecessary part also. Click the wireframe mode and click the green color. Then it will be in this view. Now, I select in this way. These are all unnecessary parts. Delete vertices. This one also. Delete vertices. Delete vertices. This one also delete vertices, all unnecessary. It includes this part as well. Delete vertices. And here, what is this? Delete vertices. Alright, now you view from another side. Here, click here. Next, I delete this part as well. And also here. And here. This part also unnecessary. If you want to reserve it, it is okay. So now, we back to this mode, back to the object mode, and have a view. Now it should be better than just now, everything, you clean it up already. And this is the alpha tower. Next step, you save it as FBX. Before that, I just save as a Blender file as backup file, save as. It's on my desktop, alpha tower. This is alpha tower. Save as a Blender file as backup. Next, I export as FBX file. File export FBX. And I will export here. Still in the same folder on the desktop, alpha tower. Here we put 001 because later we want to send it to Simplygon. The Simplygon cannot accept a long file name, so we just put 001. Export the FBX. Now the FBX file is here. Then, now I can close the Blender, can save it, close it. So, the 001 is the FBX file. Next, we open the Simplygon. The Simplygon UI. Make sure Simplygon processing agent is running. You can click again to make sure it is running. Alright, it's already running. Then you start Simplygon UI, user interface. Here, you click start. You drag in the 001 FBX. Drag in, click import. After that, you can see the triangle. The number of triangles, number of faces is very high, 12,000. It is too high. It's too much, it's over. We want to minimize it to make it 5,000. Once you already drag in, you go to the setting editor. Click all the locks, to make sure you unlock all this. Then back to the setting. This is the setting. Then you click to deselect everything to make sure you clear everything here. Then you click the reduction component to turn it on. Click the triangles to limit it to 5000. We don't want a high poly mesh. We make it 5000 triangle, limit it. Next, click this one, material baking component. Then click channel plus. Click the plus symbol here. Click plus the diffuse. And make sure this RGBA we change it to RGB. The output sRGB we deactivate it. Now we click to process. Here you need to wait for a while until it appears as green color. Then click import. Now you also can double check. Okay. This is the original LOD 0. The LOD 1 level of details, the triangles, it already limit to 5000 and it already baked all the materials. Now you can export this out. Export as 002 here. Click File, Export, Scene. Copy this folder location, Ctrl C, then paste at the destination, Ctrl V and enter. Enter this. Here, save as the type, we choose FBX file. The file name I can put 002. Always use the short file name. Save, export. Now we can close the Simplygon. Do not save. Quick. Next, you can see 002. This one. 002 LOD1. This is the original, we can ignore, we want the 002 LOD1. Next, start your 3D exchange. Drag into your 3D exchange. Click OK. Now the Alpha Tower is here. The first step you need to do, you see it is at underground. So click Align to Center, Align to Ground. Ctrl A, you can see the word axis is here. Then you turn on. This is the size of a standard human. Align center, align to ground. Then remember to select the root mode. Press R and then drag the yellow to make it the size that you want. If you feel all this very ugly, you can make it below the ground. To make all this below the ground, after you adjust to the size that you desire, you can click Reset Transform. Now, next step you double click. You press Q first and then double click the mesh. Here you drag it down. Make sure you delete the specular. Click specular. Then click specular. Then you press delete. And click the bump and also delete. Make sure all the texture only left diffuse. And then rename the material, this one, rename it alpha. Sorry, where is it? Rename here alpha tower. Enter. Enter. Make the material name same as the mesh name that you are going to export it out. Next, you can export the FBX already. I close this folder and I open this again. Now you should export as the real name, because this is the final step that you are going to import into your Smile Game Builder. So export as FBX file. File name, you name it properly, Alpha Tower. The target 2 preset, we choose the Maya. Make sure you tick here and here. The max image size, you can limit it. I can put 1024. The smaller the better. That is the texture. And make sure you click embed texture. Convert image format to PNG. Now, I want to export it here. I copy this folder location, Ctrl C, and paste here, Ctrl V. Everything is ready. Now, I can click OK. Now already exported out. It's here. So now I'm going to close the Simplygon processing agent. Right click here, and shut down the agent. Because the Simplygon processing agent is always occupy your GPU memories and GPU processing. So I just shut it down better to reserve more energy for your system. Next, start the Smile Game Builder. This is my Steam. The Smile Game Builder. Launch it. And wait for a while. This is ready to import into your Smile Game Builder. I continue my previous game project. And here you just need to wait for a while. Alright, now the Smile Game Builder already started. I want to import the file, the FBX file, as the 3D object here. These are the 3D object folder. I want to export it here, so I click Add Asset. It's under the map. Then choose Object, click Add. The folder is on my desktop. The Alpha Tower, the Alpha Tower.fbx. Make sure here you choose the scale tick here first, and choose the scale 0.007. Then you click Add. Select and click Add. Asset Alpha Tower added to object. Click OK. Now you can go and find your Alpha Tower. Where is it? It should be under the folder name Alpha Tower. Now I'm going to add some elevation. Elevation 2 should be somewhere here. Add some elevation. Some of the mistake I can choose no elevation and go and remove it. After you set the elevation, then you can make sure that your character cannot penetrate through here. But the character still can walk through here. Now I can close it. It should appear under the object. And now I can put the Alpha Tower on my map. This is the Smile Game Builder. Under the object, Alpha Tower, where is it? The Alpha Tower, just click and put here. Now you can see the Alpha Tower already inside my Smile Game Builder. And here I use the selector tool. Instead I put here. Then I right click here to make this as a start point and I start my game. Play test. Where is it? Where is the Alpha Tower? I press B. Alright, testing complete. It's complete, tested. Success. It is really awesome. This is how we can import the 3D map, 3D models from Google Map into Smile Game Builder. From Google Map 3D to Smile Game Builder. And this is the proof that it worked. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these video tutorials are helpful to you, you can subscribe to my YouTube channels and turn on the mini bell, select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video.